So one thing I always liked about the bus once I got the seats out was the amount of space that was in it. This was namely when I just had a motorcycle, a couch, and maybe some, random bags or something in it. So when I had the bus like that, I really liked it. Then I kind of took the garage space in the back, which is very important for me to have. I want to be able to store something, slightly dirty, but inside, rather than everything being, trailer or on the roof or something like that. So that was really important. Having a good sized bed is really important. And then the next things I was going to work on was like the kitchen and desk area. But I really, as I kind of laid out stuff where the kitchen would be over here, and then had those seats originally on this side, it left basically just this small amount that was this rug as kind of open space. And having the bus open before, I really liked having some open space. So I think what I'm going to do is for the desk slash future seating, I'm either going to kind of leave it open or build something that can fold completely from the wall, so that most of the time I will have this room, this area that you can see in frame right now, open, just because I do like that. And then underneath the bed, I have a ton of storage. I can do a little more storage in the garage area for some of that, and then some along the side, namely probably a little section over the bed, maybe both sides, maybe just one side, and then be able to fill a lot of this area right here between the kitchen cabinet and such with more storage. So that everything can be stowed really well. And then again, having this open space free is what I really want to keep in the bus. So that's where I'm going to go. One thing I've kind of wanted in the past and thought about is like one of the large yoga bow bean bags, which I may end up getting. That way I can just kind of leave it down there. I could even have room to put it up underneath the bed, and then I have like a seat for me or a seat for some other people to hang out when they come into the bus, because then, I could have somebody sitting here, a couple people sitting on the bus, a couple people down here, and there'd be kind of enough room that you're not really feeling too cramped. So that's the next bus plan. And if I make my trip that I'm starting to think about in the end of April, then I got to get moving on it right now. So I haven't uploaded in a while, and this is gonna be about a month that it's been since the last upload of anything to my channel. And maybe I'll do more, maybe I won't. Got this Golf. Got to get rid of the MR2 and the Audi stuff. Got rid of the Jeep, which is good. Mini has new tires, which is also good after I had one blow out. And truck is just trucking along. So that's it. Update March 2018.